to my retro watches. My name's Mike.
And my name's Eva.
And this video is to announce the winner of the 7025 Seiko that I've been restoring on all the previous videos. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing, for liking my videos, and for the comments that you left on the last video as well, because they were really nice, has to be said. So, what we're going to do, we're going to pick a winner from here. We've got over 100 entries, and I'll put all your names on a piece of paper, and Eva here is going to pick the lucky winner. So, good luck to you all.
Good luck, everybody. This one. Wow, I've got so many names here.
That one.
This one. And we have the lucky.
We've got David Hammond. So David Hammond, this is you. Contact me. My email address is michael@myretrowatches.com. There'll be a link in the description below. So get in contact with me and we'll make this happen and I'll post it out to you. So other than that, I'd like to say thank you very much. Commiserations to everybody who took part and didn't win. There can only be one winner. There'll be another giveaway video, hopefully fairly soon, once I find the right candidate to do so. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Right, we're recording. So
The real one.
I'm going to try.
Really, it's the real one.
Yeah, it's the real one.
Right now.
Yeah, we're recording it right now. 3, 2. It's to see who's going to win the Seiko 7025 that I've restored. Every time you do that. Hello and welcome to my retro watches.
My name's Mike.
Let's go again. This is the one, okay?
This.
This is the one.
What the?
Right, okay.
Right, okay.
3.
3.
Hello and welcome to my retro watches. My name's Mike.
And my name's Eva.
And this video is to announce the winner of the Seiko 7025 that I've restored in all the previous videos. Okay. You doing that's just absolutely killed me.
What?
This.